Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Oh, Itchy Nose, another Wednesday, another shave, and we've got a good one lined up for you today. First, thank you to everyone for all the birthday wishes. Had lots of them Friday and Saturday. Thank you very much. Had a wonderful weekend. Okay, the Saturday shave, Mental Health Awareness Week. We did a Saturday shave. I'm going to be continuing that theme today with Pinnacle Groomings. Who cares? There's a sample very kindly sent to me by Pinnacle Grooming for free. I got this for free. They sent me loads of them, but they do them in a pack. They do 10 samples for £10 if you're in the United Kingdom. Check them out. It's well worth it. Very good value for money, and they're a good company, guys, that do stuff like this. They're a good company. I've got that, and I've got the splash. I had matching splash for the last one and never realised until after the shave that I hadn't used it. So I've got a bit of that soaking away in the brush that in the bowl Pinnacle Grooming gave to me. Got to get a wriggle on, guys. I am running so late. Came in from work absolutely exhausted, on the bed, fell asleep, dink, and now I've got something on. Somebody's coming in about 20 minutes. We need to move. Okay, so the razor for today. This is Yates Precision Engineering winning razor. Check out that for a sheen. It's like a mirrored finish. Absolutely wonderful razor. This, guys, thank you very much. Okay, I'm gonna put in that they are a Nacet Gillette Nacet stainless is what we're going to be putting in. I tried to keep with the theme, guys. I tried to keep with the theme of the purple. There you go. We'll get that in here. Because I'm in a rush, I'm all at 6 and 7. I forgot to do the official John Shea Super Soaker. I've only just noticed that, see the lines across the bottom of that. I like that. That's a very nice touch. I do. I like that. There you go. That's in there. Can you see the blade? There isn't a lot of blade. I think what it is with this, you have to dial it in. And then, right, so what we'll do is we'll get some hot water in there. And then the brush we're going to be using, here it is, Starwisp. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. Lovely. We'll get that in the Super Soaker. John Shea Super Soaker. Oh, what now? We're going to balm up with this Yardley Rose. I think we got that from Avon for a couple of pounds here in the UK. Yeah, it's a beautiful scented balm. But this soap, here we go, on Pinnacle Grooming's website, guys. What does it smell like? The top notes are orange, bergamot, juniper, clary sage, and cardamom. I get the clary sage. The heart notes are magnolia, hedione, rose, violet, and tea notes. I get the rose and the violet. The base notes, tobacco leaf, suede, sandalwood, moss, tonka bean, and ambergris. I get the sandalwood. So for me, come on, what we say in here, clary sage, rose, and sandalwood. It smells fantastic, guys. It really does. There you go. Let's just get stuck right in and see how we go. I would put scent strength smack bang in the middle at about the 5. You start to lather it up. That increases. I can smell it now. It's quite aromatic. Does the scent profile change? It does a little bit, but I'm not quite sure as to what it is I get coming through. How long we've been going, guys? How long we've been going? A minute or two. Look at this. Absolutely wonderful. Now, it likes to take a lot of water. We could spend all day doing that. But we haven't got all day. And there wasn't a lot there, was there? Okay. There you go. I'll just stand that razor upside down in the official John Shea Super Soaker. Get some heat in that blade. and then we'll crack on with it. I noticed that Chuck from Chuck Shaving Channel did the Mental Health Awareness Week. Thank you, Chuck. I started watching it before. I'll finish it later on. I talk about that video channels and other channels and so on during the shave. I keep meaning to address it, but never get around to it. Here we go. The camera doesn't lie, does it? Yeah, definitely getting the suede and the sandalwood. Oh, it's just, how wonderful. Well, look at this, guys. I wasn't lathering up for long, was I? You know, I could go on and on and on. Some people like to. I don't. But with this, you just get the feeling. It's kind of like PAA. If you wanted to just spend 10 minutes lathering and adding and water and lathering, you could do, and you'd get a full Santa's beard. But look at that. Oh, we're doing okay, aren't we? Oh yeah, I feel really bad, you know. Sometimes there's such a huge amount of people and videos in the wet shaving community, and I get so many of them commenting and liking my videos. That ear's still not right, you know. I can't be bothered going, you know. Oh, but anyway. Yeah. So, yeah. You'll know if you're a YouTube creator, you'll know how time consuming it is to prepare the shave and then film the shave and then do your thumbnail and then, well, with the app that I've got on my camera, you film the shave and then you open this app. It's called InShot. It's like an editing software, but you don't edit it, you just convert it. You add all the bits together. It'll put all little bits, all little videos at the start, and it puts them all together, and then it'll upload it in one HD video, and that takes about half an hour. And then to upload that to YouTube takes about an hour. And then answering all the comments, which it's my mission in life. To answer every comment. It really is. Sometimes it's a little bit late, and sometimes, fellow YouTubers, I forget. I watch all your videos. Robert's Classic Wet Shaving, Uncle Laurie, Uncle L Shaves, Chuck Shaving Channel, Paul Fox, Jim will shave, Paul Humphreys, Kevy when he puts one up, yeah, Ken Surfs, you name it, Sinatra, Lennon, I watch them all. Mark Zaradi's Monday Morning Mailbag. What I do is I play them all. When in my van, have them coming through the Bluetooth. So, cause I'm in the van 3-4 hours a day, going between drops and so on. And it takes me nearly an hour to get to work and then nearly an hour to come up. So I put them on. What I do is I'll find the video, I press like, and then I press play. And I think when I'm sitting down here at night in front of the TV with a cup of tea, I'll go back and comment on it. Trouble is, sometimes I forget, and I'm so sorry. But just know, guys, I do watch your videos, I do like them, and I will get around to commenting. When I wasn't making videos, wasn't an issue. I'm not complaining, but we all have the same 24 hours in a day, and sometimes I just can't get around to it, you know. And then what I'll do is I'll see like Robert's Classic Shave or Uncle Laurie or something, or even Chuck, and they've uploaded a video, and I think, oh, I'll click on to watch that, and then I click on their channel and realise they uploaded one a couple of days ago and I haven't watched that yet. And then, oh, or commented on it, should I say. So that's where we're at. But I just feel really self-conscious about it. So please let me know what your shaves are. Let me know what you think of this shave. And please do go and check out Pinnacle Grooming. They've been very kind to the channel, but the company's ethos is really good. They're very what's the word I'm looking for? Aware, if you like, and thoughtful about other members of the life and community in general. And they've got a very thoughtful outlook. And I think at a time when businesses struggle, and especially in this business, where so many, in this community where so many businesses go against the wall, I think anything we can do to support them, especially a UK artisan, you know. I know I've had a lot of stick in the past for buying American. But hey, the plain simple fact of the matter is, the Americans had all the soaps, you know. I personally think the revival in this way of shaving, the wet shaving and so on, is American led. And then you can think of a handful of UK soap makers, can't you? But I'll bet you just sat down, if you thought about it off the top of your head, you could come up with 30 or 40 American ones. So there's no shame whatsoever at all in using American soaps and championing the American ones. But where possible, if a UK soap maker comes up and they're making soap of this quality and they have that ethos, lather mittens, we should be mindful of that and do all we can to support them. That, you know, guys, I thought that was going to be, I've used it before, this razor. I thought it was going to be mild, but and it is mild. But don't be fooled by that. It's very, very efficient indeed. There you go. That is our shave. Oh, I forgot to change the towel. Oh, I only have one towel. I take it in the bathroom when I use it for shaving, and then dry it off, take it in the bathroom and use it. Use it again. I haven't only got one towel. I use one towel at a time, you know. I've got several towels. Oh my word. And be careful what you say. Honestly, guys, I can't tell you the number of messages I get from people saying, I can't believe you a YouTube West shaver and you only have one towel. Look, we did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Okay, Splashkins, here we go. Want to be careful because let me use it all. Samantha, my daughter, she uses all of my soaps. Oh, that's nice. What am I getting there now? Oh, there's something coming through. Oh, I don't know what that is, but it's absolute lovely, sweet, like a sweet, sugary, powdery, sugary scent to that. Yeah, Samantha uses all of my soaps and all of my splashes when she shaves her legs. So yeah, there's two of us going through this stuff. So I always try and save a little bit for her. Even when she shaved her legs, I encourage us, when you've shaved your legs, put some of the splash on. Especially this stuff. Very, 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 very fragrant. Very, very skin foody. Oh! Okay, John, come on. Thanks for listening. It's been a flyer today, hasn't it, guys? It's been a flyer. But I've just got so little to do. So much time to do it in. It's unreal. Okay, there you go. So thank you again to everyone for all your likes, all your comments, all your support, all your birthday wishes. Look after yourselves and each other. And remember, Mental Health Awareness Week. If you ever think who cares, loads of people care. Loads, and I'm one of them. johnshaves101@gmail.com. Can't solve your problems, but I do care and I will answer. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Saturday. And let's pull out a good one. Let's pull out a good one for the Saturday shave. I feel a special one coming on. See you Saturday.